ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಕೌಶಲ್ಯ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್. ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಧನಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಜಿಯೋಮೆಡಿ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಬಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್. ಅವ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಜಿಯೋಮೆಡಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಜಾರ್ಜಿಯಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಅವರು 2015 ಹೋಗಿರೋಂಥ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು. ಸೊ ನೌ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ದೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಐ ರಿಯಲಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ನೋ. ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ದ ಬ್ರೀಫ್?
ಹಲೋ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಧನಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಅಂತ. ವಿ ಆರ್ 2016 ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ 2021. ಇಟ್ಸ್ 6 years ಕೋರ್ಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಜಿಯೋಮೆಡಿ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯಿಂದನೇ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. After coming back in 2021, I cleared my FMG exam, and after that ಅದು 1 ವರ್ಷ internship program ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So you have to come back here and do your 1 year of internship, and then you can become a permanent registered medical practitioner here. I've completed that, and now I'm preparing for my PG exam, which is coming in another 15 days. Actually, when we went in 2016, we blindly believed Kausalya ma'am. We were 9 girls who went from Bangalore, just 9 girls. ಯಾರು ಗಂಡ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಇಲ್ಲ. We were only 9 of us, and that too because of some visa problems we had to go in separate batches. And Kausalya ma'am made sure she came to Georgia. She dropped us over there. She made sure everything was fine. And after that, Harish sir was there to take care of us throughout the 6 years. And talking about the university, our university is teaching university Geomedi anta. The curriculum has changed from what we were studying and what we are. Not the portions, just the way of teaching has changed. For us, it was subject wise, and now it is module wise. It's like they're taking each system, the CNS, CVS, respiratory, all the systems at once, and they're taking a holistic approach towards from all the subjects, from anatomy, from biochem aspect, from physiology of the particular system. Be it respiratory, they're taking each system and they're doing from the basics to the pharmacology, to the pathology, to the medicine of it, which is the best approach. Even in India, you're not going to get such an integrated format of teaching, because when you come back to India, when you are practicing in the long run, maybe 10 years down the lane, you're not going to sit and think like, okay, this disease I studied in anatomy, or this disease I studied. No, you're supposed to have a holistic approach. Okay, the pathology engaitu, what is the pathology, and that is supposed to happen within minutes. You're not going to have a lot of time to save any patient's life. It's going to be a fraction of seconds. So that they are inculcating in you from the day one, from your first year of course. So that's really good, and there are many opportunities after you go to Georgia. It's not like you have to come back to India and work here. You can getting a US visa when you're in Georgia is extremely easy. So if you apply to US and you start preparing for USMLE, if you're quite confident and serious about it, that can be your path. There is research. The university is extremely helpful when it comes to research, and you can build your CV. The lecturers, they take you in for their research groups, so that you can build your CV, and the whole administrative department is exceptional over there. No matter what problem you have, be it from your admission procedure to your TRC, which you're supposed to get after going there, that, and then your examination, your curriculum, any problem, we used to approach Harish sir. He used to guide us to go to the rector's room. There are so many meetings we have had directly with the rector. From the university side, whatever support they're supposed to give you, it's there. 100% is there. The parents don't have to worry about it, nor does the students, nor do the students who are going there have to worry about it. And the whole 6 years journey has been beautiful, has been wonderful. For me, those 6 years I till today cherish. It's just there. It's like nenne monne hog bande tara nan athara ide. And to start off with, Georgia is a beautiful country, landscape wise, or the way they treat foreigners. It's a beautiful country. You go there, you'll have a whole different approach, and coming out of that has made me such a confident person. I couldn't imagine what I was, and I don't even know how I was the 6 years before going to Georgia. The shy girl who was so timid. You can ask Kausalya ma'am. I was like me. My parents were sitting when we first met Kausalya ma'am, and I didn't even speak a word to her. I didn't ask her what is the name of the university also. I was so shy. Then now I'm standing in front of you people talking so confidently. That this confidence, I owe it to Georgia. I owe it to Geomedi. I owe it to Kausalya ma'am for sending me over there. She was there. Ninge ಏನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Till today, it's been almost, we met in 2016. Now it's 2025. It's been 10 years. We are like family. she has always been there. We are always constantly in touch, not every day, but whatever it is, the main events, she's there. Our be it our wedding, engagement, whatever, she'll be a part of it. So you don't have to worry about the university, you don't have to worry about the country you're going, you don't have to worry about WEC who is sending you. They'll always be with you no matter what.
Thank you so much. That's
Thank
so deep. Thank you so much for your all
Thank
the
you.
support, and thank you so much for experience that inspire a lot to the student.
Yes.
Thank you so much.